Good morning students, welcome to St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn Standard 3 EVS subject. Chapter number 13, Sharing Our Feelings. In our previous video we have started our new lesson number 13, Sharing Our Feelings. Now let's start with the page number 91. First, Seema's father reads the newspaper aloud to her nanny. How do you help old people? Like I help my grandmother in remembering to take her medicines. How do you help them? Second one, what kind of problems do people have in their old age? Students, sometimes they face pain in their bones, they face issues in hearing, they lack good eyesights. Okay, these type of problems people have in their old age. Now, how does Ravi Bhaiya come to know so many things without seeing? So we learn about this in the chapter that Ravi Bhaiya comes to know so many things without seeing because he has good hearing skills. Next one, have you ever needed a stick when? Like, yes, I need stick to pluck fruits from the tree. So, have you ever needed it? Right here, your own answer. Can you think when you may need a stick? I need stick to climb a tree, rock on mountains. Okay, we might need it. Next one, how do we help those people who cannot see? By helping them cross the roads and climbing stairs. Okay, we can help them. So ask this question to yourself and write your own answer in your book. Now the next, recollect and tell. Is there any member in your family who cannot see, speak or hear? Do you know any such person? How do other people help them with their work? So no, there is no such person in my family. So is there any member in your family? So write about him or her here. Okay. Next one. You read in the story that Ravi Bhaiya cannot see, but he does all his work on his own. He studies from a different kind of books to understand how he is able to do his work. Close your eyes and play these games. Now blindfold. Blindfold is a game. Blindfold any one child in the group. One by one, the other children come to him or her quietly. The child who is blindfolded has to guess who the other child is by touching him or her. Take care not to make any sound. In the same way, one by one, blindfold all other children. Each one has to try and guess by touching who the other children are. Now you can see here students. This girl is blindfolded. The person who is blindfolded will not be able to see anything. The person will only be able to hear the voice. So take care not to make any sound because sound help people to locate things. That's why we should not make any sound while playing this game. Now discuss and tell. How many children could recognize the other by touching? So this is the activity based exercise students. So we are going to skip it. There is a special way of reading and writing for people who cannot see. It is called Braille. It is written on a thick paper by making a row of raised point dots with a pointed tool. Braille is read by running the fingers on the raised dots. You can see here students, this type of writing called Braille writing. It is written on a thick paper by making a dots, raised points. Okay. So people who cannot see run their fingers over the dots and read the text. You can read the text like this. Now you can see here students, this is the Braille alphabet. You can see A is marked with single dots. You can see here A is marked with single dots. B is marked with two dots, one below the other. C is also marked with two dots but next to each other. Okay. Similarly others you can see. Now let's do. Take a thick piece of paper, make an outline on the paper with the help of a compass or a needle. Make dots at a short distance on the outline drawn. You can see that the paper is raised on the other side. You can see here students, I have drawn the circle with the help of pen and I am make the dots in short distance. You can see here the dots is here. So the other side paper is raised, you can see. So like this you can draw the any shape and ask your friend to close his or her eyes and fill with the fingers to tell what you have outlined. Okay. So with this our video is completed. So your homework is complete the answers which we have learned today. Okay. Thank you.